Here's an update video on how Butterscotch is doing. This covers the last 2 weeks. He's actually doing really good. He made it home. He's really tired. This is the second time he's had to wear a cone, and he hates them. The goal is for him to wear this cone for 2 weeks. We'll see. They said it's going to be bruised for a few days. He has to take a couple of pain medicine and a antibiotic for a few weeks, but he should fully recover. 1 week after surgery, he's doing well. Butterscotch has kept his cone on, except every time he goes on the grass, he scrapes it. He's trying to smell the grass, and he scrapes it over and over and over. I'll give you a look at what his incision looks like. The bruise is gone, and the incision looks great. He's done really well. 1 week to go with the cone. Good job, buddy. You're doing really well. You're the Butterscotch. Hey, do you love the cone? Big fan of the cone? As you can tell, he's not. Good job, buddy. Good job. Doing really good. Come on. Come on. He's done really good with the cone. He's starting to get his stride back. We're almost 2 weeks in. His cone comes off in a couple days. Hey, Butterscotch, you got your cone off. You happy? So happy. Yeah. You did so good, buddy. You did so good. So good. He did so well these 2 weeks. I am so blown away how well he did. He is doing so well. He's such a good boy. Butterscotch, I'm so proud of you, buddy. Such a good boy. Man, he's so happy to have that going off. He's such a good boy. You good boy? Yes, you are.